All right. Next question is, how do you prevent burnout? Balance, right? I mean, there's really, this is a very simple question, and the answer, you first have to, make a step back, analyze yourself. I mean, self-awareness is one of the most vital skills of human beings. If you develop self-awareness, self-critique, discipline, you can achieve anything in life. That's my absolute conviction. And burnout, what is burnout? I mean, stand in front of a whiteboard and ask yourself, what is burnout? Burnout is imbalance of something. You did something that just put you in a state where you're not feeling well. You can burn out from work, from drinking too much alcohol, from playing too much tennis. So that's not always related to work. So burnout is you not balancing your life properly, not having friends or relationships or hobbies or family or something like that. For me, I have family, which is my absolute priority in life. I have a wife and kid, and hopefully more kids in the future. So that prevents me. That is my the shield against self-destruction, because human beings by nature are self-destructive. We are killing ourselves slowly every single day, right? So if you want to prevent burnout, find hobbies, play an instrument. I play saxophone now. I play guitar my whole life. I think music is the greatest cure for soul. That's really the only time when I shut down is when I play an instrument, when I sing. And also, family is a huge part of life. So if you right, and of course, physical exercise is highly needed. So all of these combinations, all of this combination can be aggregated in a single thing called balance, right? You cannot work 10 hours a day or 15 hours a day, and right. So that is really how it is. You have to set some priorities in your life. Your work should not be your priority. Your company is something that came now, and one day you're going to quit it and you're going to join another one. So these things are some experiences which you should cherish and enjoy and create relationships and friends along the way. But family and your either close family, your larger family should be, and yourself should be priority. You should be priority of yourself, nobody else. And these things you understand as I'm 35, so I had enough of years, I guess, so far to understand these things. And if you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will take care of you, right? Nobody else really cares. Your company and you, for instance, if you talk about work, you have agreed on terms of mutual interest. When one of the parties no longer have the same interest, you're either going to get fired or you're going to quit. So never imagine that your work is somewhat your family or your something. Your work is a mutual, you and your job are two parties that mutually agreed that we will pay you this much for your services. So, and the reason why I'm mentioning work now is because a lot of people lose themselves in work. They think it's some sort of integral part of their lives, but it's not. It should be. I mean, you should. I work from the office. I love my colleagues. I love hanging out with them, drinking coffee, messing around, throwing stupid jokes. So that's what I like. But I'm very much aware that if I'm not performing or if I'm not doing well, my company will be very happy to get rid of me. And so will I get rid of them as well if I'm not happy with them as well. Anyway, find the balance. That's the answer to burnout.